Okay, let's take the ultimate 2-5 acupuncture quiz. We studied the location, actions, and point combinations. 2-5, Chuanchu is located where?
L1,
L2,
L1,
Well,
L1.
below the
L1,
spinal
lumbar
process of
spine.
L1. The English
Bladder L1.
translation of Chuanchu,
Suspended pivot.
yes. 2-5 is primarily indicated for which spinal disorder?
Lumbar stiffness with inability to flex and
Okay,
extend.
maraming nakaka-relate niyan. Isa na ako.
Tama.
2-5 is found. Ay, si Doktora nakikinig pa rin kahit pauwi na. Hello, Doktora. Believe naman ako. Okay. Kaya tuloy. Ay, pupunta na siya sa ano niya. Okay. 2-5 is found. Uy, where?
Two intervertebral space above the first line.
Ayusin mo na yung heart imbalance mo. Okay.
Matututo
Half
na
your
ako.
spine generally intersects the
Intersects. L4, spinous process.
Wow. The back shoe point located at the same vertebral level as Do5 is.
Ito si bladder 22.
Principal action of Do5 on the lower burner.
Lower burner. Regulate chi.
Which needling method is safest for Do5?
2-5. Perpendicular insertions. 0.5, 1 kun.
Which structure is the greatest risk if Do5 is needled too deeply?
Spinal canal.
Peritoneum. Hindi. Spinal canal. Sorry. Spinal canal. Nag-isip ako.
Oblique insertion at Do5 should only be performed by
Experience.
don't do baka makakuha ka ng something there.
Maparalyze yung
Do5 is
pasyente.
considered a pivot because it
Corresponds to a rotational region of the lumbar spine.
ay magpalagay pala ako ng Do5 dito sa kanila, mami. Yun ako ko effective. Do5 sa ano ha, sa tenga. Okay. Which energetic quality best describes Do5?
Activates yang.
Activate yang.
Do5
Ano,
strengthens.
pala.
Try natin na let's compare to more. Okay. Do5 strengthens what? Go.
Spine and stomach.
Ay, kaya
Do5 pala. Kaya,
Ay, need ko to.
Which symptom most strongly reflects Do5's action on the lumbar spine?
lumbar
Lumbar
rigidity with
rigidity
inability
with
to
inability
bend.
to bend.
Do5 is indicated for
Lower jaw chi disorder.
which digestive disorder is mentioned?
Undigested food and stool.
Okay. Running piglet chi is associated with dysfunction of
Lower
burner.
which condition demonstrates Do5 regulating the intestines?
Diarrhea.
Do5 is commonly combined with Do7 for treating. Ay, kailangan ko to.
mid-back.
Okay. Do5 plus Do7. Uy, maglagay kayo sa tenga. Which point is frequently combined with Do5 for chronic lumbar pain due to kidney deficiency? Ay, okay.
Bladder 23.
Galing. So maglalagay ako Do5, Do7, bladder 23 sa ear. Which statement best reflects the spiritual interpretation of Do5?
It restores flexibility of body, mind, and spirit.
Ay, wow. Paano maging flexible yung aking ano?
Body, mind, and spirit.
Yeah, body, mind, and
Need
spirit.
natin yan.
Ano na ba ituloy? Which indication reflects spleen deficiency? Ay,
Abdominal
distension.
distension.
nakaka-relate ba? Okay, go. Which combination is recommended for, ay, ito naman okay lang, undigested food in the stool? Answer.
Do 5, stomach 36, spleen 6, bladder 25, brain 10.
Moxibustion at 2.5 is particularly recommended to
Tighten the
Tightening
bowel.
the bowel.
which statement regarding 2.5 is most accurate?
It is primarily a local point for lumbar disorders while regulating the lower jaw.
Lower jaw. 2.5 is located anatomically
Below the spinous process L1.
which of the following is not a traditional function of 2.5?
Clear liver
Clear
fire.
liver fire.
2.5 may influence the abdomen because of its relationship to nakakainit
Stomach
sa abdomen.
Stomach pain.
Wow, now I know.
Galing, no?
Okay.
Magawang
Let's try it.
Ito
2.5
naman,
5 to 7
timing.
sa lang.
Which symptom best demonstrates 2.5's effect on spinal flexibility? Oo nga.
Inability to flex or extend the lower spine.
Which translation is considered an alternative name for Wang? Xuanshu.
Turning pivot.
2.5 is situated approximately
Midway between do 4 and do 6.
Of course. Which pathology is least associated with DO5?
Migraine to the liver yang rising.
Okay, maganda din siya sa sciatica, anal prolapse,
Lumbago, Doc.
Yeah.
Lip tease.
The point
Lip
name suspended pivot symbolically emphasizes
flexibility and movement.
which psychological quality is associated with DO5 in 5 Shen interpretation?
Mental rigidity and ability to
ability
adapt.
Which of the following is an indication for DO5?
Retractions of the testicles.
Okay.
Oh.
Which needling depth is considered appropriate?
Point 2 to 3 soon.
No.
0.5,
Point
1
5.
to
1.
The caution regarding DO5 primarily concerns avoiding injury to what?
Spinal
canal.
canal.
DO5 can stimulate what?
Yanchi.
Yuan Chi.
Yuan Qi.
Yuan Chi.
Yanchi.
Source Qi. Original Qi.
Your source
Each
Chi.
clinical condition reflects spleen Qi deficiency treated by DO5.
Undigested food and stool.
Which point lies at the same vertebral level as DO5 in ulit?
Bladder 22.
Which combination is recommended for lumbar pain?
Number P.
Do5. Bladder 22, bladder 23, bladder 25, bladder 40.
Alak-alakan
Statement
bladder
regarding
40.
moxibustion is true.
It may be applied to tighten the bowels.
Which disease reflects DO5's action on the intestines?
Dysentery.
DO5 is considered especially useful when
Patient feels physically and mentally unable to pivot.
kaya
Siya ba
pag ako
kagalaw?
nakaka-pivot. Which statement best explains why DO5 and di ba try natin mamaya? Although hindi kayo nakaka-relate, bahala kayo. Okay, DO5 and
They function as pivots above and below Do6.
Which of the following is not an indication?
Bell's palsy.
Palsy.
The governing vessel function of DO5 primarily supports
Flexibility and regulations of the spine.
which point combination is appropriate for chronic kidney deficiency, low back pain? Naku, maharang ako ito. Okay.
Ito yung Do5, bladder 23 at Do4.
Yung iba ayaw lang umamin. Okay.
Bladder 23,
All patient, the spinal canal may be reached after approximately
1.25 soon.
which statement best summarizes the therapeutic role of DO5?
It is chiefly a local lumbar point that also regulates the lower jaw and promotes flexibility of the body and mind.
Wow, congratulations. Perfect score. One mistake.